Is this something where when you're coming into a business, you're either meeting with the employees are taking some sort of assessment or filling out information, giving their information, and then you're taking that, collecting it, scoring it, and then putting it into an AI model to evaluate and at the end of the day, basically find the strengths and weaknesses, right? Where's the weak link on the chains and where can we make improvements and fill gaps?
Yes. And yeah, that's a very baseline way to look at it. I mean, when you're looking at 78 behavior markers, we're able to basically tell a lot of things about you that you thought you just were hiding or not being able to share with people. We're able to really identify, like you said, what are the real strengths with that person? What are the gifts in that person? But also the things that they're not necessarily leveraging into even higher performance. So that's when you then couple that with what we call the Belbin model. This is an Oxford professor that came up with how to construct high performance teams. There's a baseline of that model that we then utilizing AI to cross blend those together by individual and then by this model to come out with who are the right performers that you need to have and profiles, or what are your gaps in this team that you need to develop to deliver on the product that you have or the service that you have that you were trying to execute for profitability, obviously.
Is this at a leadership level? Is this everybody in the business, or are you focused more on like the decision makers and the C-suite type of level?
No, it can actually scale down into or cascade down into other, if sales individuals, you may have some project managers. I mean, it incorporate everybody in that company that really is critical to the delivery of their product or service.
So 78 personality points. Yes, you probably definitely, or data points. I mean, you probably know more about the person than they know about themselves.
Exactly. Yes, exactly.
It's not necessarily like, hey, who do we fire, but where do we need to improve? What are the gaps? How can we better train this person to do their job better?
That's exactly right. No, that is the critical piece there. This is about, a lot of times there's untapped potential in all of us. And that's where this element helps us to discover the untapped performance opportunities within individuals that can blend into this team concept. It really elevates the whole human element of it for that company. There's a whole new energy that's released within that company because of untapped discovery of opportunities for that person to really perform even at a higher level.